In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook not sending SMS code on Android. Now, there's multiple reasons why this could be happening, and the first thing you want to do is you want to verify your phone number. So you need to make sure that you entered in the correct phone number along with the country code. So if you're in the United States, for example, your country code is 1. So you need to type in 1 right before your phone number. So that is really important because if you mess up your country code, then this entire process is not going to work. And if you're not in the United States and you're curious what your country code is, you can go ahead and just look it up on Google. Just look up your country and then country code, and then it is going to let you know exactly what your country code is. So once you're done with that, you would need to go ahead and re-enter your phone number and request a new code. The next thing you want to do is you want to check your network connection. So a weak signal or Wi-Fi can prevent SMS delivery. So you want to confirm that you have strong mobile data or Wi-Fi. And I recommend switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or move to a better signal area. So like if you're underground or you're underneath a bunch of trees and stuff like that, what I recommend that you guys do is go to like a more open area. And I know that may seem a little silly, but that actually does play a major factor. And you really want to make sure that you have the best signal possible. The next thing you want to do is you want to check for SMS blocking. So Android settings may block SMS from actually sending you the message that you need in order to log in. So in order to actually adjust your settings to make sure that everything is working, here's what you need to do. You need to go ahead and open up the settings application. So let's go ahead and do that really quickly. Then you want to go to the search bar and type in apps. So let's go ahead and do that. Once you're over here, you just want to go ahead and look for your messages application right over here. So yep, here it is. And then you want to select on permissions. Now, where it says permissions, you want to make sure that where it says allowed, that SMS is actually turned on. So you'll notice that in our example, it's not turned on. So let's go ahead and just give it permission over here. So you just want to go ahead and select on allow right over here. And then there you go. It's really important that you do have that underneath the allowed section. Otherwise, it is not going to send you the message and it is just not going to work. And also, while we're here, another thing that we can do is we can clear out the Facebook application cache. And clearing out the cache basically removes any corrupted files or anything that just isn't meant to be on the Facebook files. So here's what you need to do. You need to go ahead and look up Facebook just like so. Then you need to go ahead and scroll down until you see storage. And then you're going to see this option that says clear cache, and then it is going to remove all the corrupted files, and it is basically going to start off Facebook on a fresh, clean slate. And also try to avoid rapid code requests. So requesting codes too quickly may trigger a too many attempts error on Facebook. So you want to wait a few minutes or up to 24 hours if you see this error before retrying. But if none of that works, I suggest that you guys try to log in using your email. So you'll notice that where it says find your account, it's going to say search by email, and I recommend just using your email address if nothing is working and stuff like that. So those are certainly things that you guys can consider. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.